Hello, my name is Kirsten Tibbles and I'm excited to share with you one of my favourite recipes, peanut brittle. In the larger saucepan, we place some water and glucose, which I've warmed a little bit in the microwave. Place a baking paper onto a wooden board, ready to pour the mixture out. I've roughly chopped some peanuts, which you need to have ready next to the stove. Turn the induction cooktop on, setting number 8. You can stir the syrup a little bit, but don't agitate it too much. At this stage, the sugar's dissolved, you can add in the nuts. As soon as you add the peanuts, reduce it to induction setting number 6 as the mixture starts to get thicker. Ensure that you stir it continuously as you're heating it up. What you're looking for when the brittle is ready is it'll be a beautiful light golden colour, or if you want to be precise, it's 156 degrees Celsius. Add in the butter, add in the vanilla and the bicarb soda. The bicarb is going to create a little foam and it's going to aerate the peanut and sugar mixture enough that it's going to snap off beautifully. You can always open the whisk up to get all those stubborn peanuts out. Scrape it onto the paper. It will go a little bit darker. Place another sheet of baking paper on top. You can also do this with baking mats, and then we're going to roll it out while it's still nice and hot. We're looking for about this thickness, so it's easy to bite into. Leave this covered as it cools completely. As soon as it's cooled, we're going to coat it in chocolate. Place the chocolate into a saucepan. You only need induction setting number 4. You're going to stir it continuously until you have half liquid, half solid chocolate. As soon as you reach that stage, you're going to place it into a bowl and vigorously stir it. I have the tempered chocolate here. We'll drizzle some of the chocolate on top. It's up to you how thick it is. Spread it out. You can just use the back of a spoon if you want to spread it out. We want to seal the top of the peanut brittle. Before it sets, I sprinkle the surface with some sea salt. That's the reason we've used unsalted peanuts, because we've added a little bit of salt in the recipe and a pinch of salt on top. Let this side set and then we're going to flip it over and coat the other side. Spread chocolate on the other side. Can't go wrong with serving a peanut brittle. All the things I love: texture, flavour, salty, sweet, creamy, crunchy, absolutely divine. Sprinkle of the sea salt. Let that set at room temperature. Now for the fun part, breaking the brittle up into bite-ish sized pieces. You can stack them, you can place them in a row. I like to stack them up like this so I can fit more on a plate. My peanut brittle, it is a family favourite and I always make it when we have a family gathering, and I can tell you it's always the first thing to go.